Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to increase your internet connection on your phone. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so first of all we need to open up the phone settings, and then in here we need to open up the mobile data. This depends on your phone. Each phone has different settings. So on your phone, for example, instead of this one you might have connections. So you can just click on connections, then select mobile networks. So I will just click on mobile data, and then in here just select the SIM card that you're using for internet. So in my case I have only one SIM card and I'm using this for internet, so I just click on this one. So what we're looking for is access point names, so just click on this one and open it up. In here we need to click on new APN. So again, it depends on your phone. You might have an option in here on the top with the three dots. Just click on it and then it will say new APN. So just click on new APN and open it up. Okay, so for this new APN we need to input some information. The first one is name, which we're going to type 4.4 8.8 and then space 5G, and then just click OK. And then next one APN, so we type again 4.4 8.8 and click OK. And the next one will be server, so we just leave port, username, password and just go to server and type in there www.google.com and click OK. And then we need to look for APN type. So APN type, which is this one, so just type in there default and click OK. And next one will be APN protocol and APN roaming protocol. So both of them should be on IPv4 and IPv6. And the last one will be bearer. Just click on it and make sure you select all these options in here. And then once you selected all, just click OK. Okay, now we need to save this APN, so just click on more and then select save. After you save the new APN, then you will be able to see it in here. In case you lose connection, then you can just switch over with your old APN and then just switch it back to the new APN again, or you can just restart your phone. So if this didn't work for you, then you can just simply go back to the settings and change to the old one that you had. So I hope you get a faster mobile data speed on your phone, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos.